This is a Too Fun Family review of Sorrento and Il Buco. Sorrento is a beachfront city south of Naples on the Amalfi Coast. Sorrento is a popular vacation city in the summer, but a quiet and relaxing place in the off-season. It's very calm. Sorrento is famous for its hillside resorts that overlook the Amalfi Coast. It has a wonderful beach. They produce a lot of ceramics. There are also lots and lots of lemons, and I mean lots. And limoncello, which is a kind of alcohol made from lemons, and have really pretty woodworking. We stayed near Piazza Tasso and enjoyed the many shops and restaurants there. We strolled down back roads all the way to the marina, and we enjoyed seeing the fishing boats. I really like going to the beach, and we collected up some shells. I still have some. We visited woodworking shops and an art school. I got a lemon dress. We were there in time to see Christmas decorations get put up by the city all over. I really like the food in Sorrento. The food tasted higher quality or better than basically all of the rest of Italy. We had dinner at Il Buco, a Michelin star restaurant. They serve meals that are several long courses. It was really pretty on the inside. The service was great. The waiters were really, really nice. Grazie.
Grazie a te.
It was very sophisticated. There was 4 different desserts, and each of us could pick our own. I like the desserts the best, and they tasted even better than they looked, which is hard. Jelly Beans picked a very, very chocolatey one. I would never pick it because it's too chocolatey for me. Too chocolatey, but still delicious. Everything was just great with the meal. Everyone loved it. We just had a fun time. I would rate Il Buco as 5 stars. Everything looked so pretty. The food all tasted really good, and there was a lot of food. Il Buco. I would probably rate it 5 stars because it was awesome. Me and my sister Jelly Beans loved it. I would recommend that some kids might like this if they have like really good taste buds. Like they like all the adult things that like adult likes. Like caviar, you know, the fancy things. It's very, very sophisticated, but for adults, it's probably just the most delicious thing ever. Other kids would probably love Sorrento. It's just like the perfect town. I really liked it because it's very calm. It has like so many fun things to do. An awesome beach. I loved Sorrento. It was my favorite town. Please hit like and subscribe.
Support content development on our Patreon page.
Bye. Crazy.
I like it sweet.